Hello and welcome. My name is Robert Vane. This is a new series I'm doing targeted specifically for business leaders. It's called Insider Tips, How to Make IT Work Better for Your Business. I think that's quite important because the IT industry can sometimes be quite difficult to navigate. So this is episode 1. It's about business language. Business language is your best weapon. One thing I'm going to get out in the open first. I'm an IT industry insider. I've been for about 30 years. But recently I've become more and more frustrated with the industry and the system and this the way it operates. So here in episode 1, in my guide to business leaders, it's really about helping you to take back control, to redress the current imbalance. Because I think you're being taken for a ride quite often. You're paying for things using your valuable resources, your money, your time, your people, and quite often you just don't need to. Or to be clearer, you're paying repeatedly huge amounts, tens of millions, not millions or thousands, for things that you should only pay for once. This is how the IT industry is currently working and how it makes its money. You may know this already, I don't know. It knows and it exploits this to maximum effect. The fact that your business can't communicate how it works right now in enough detail to halt the need to spend time constantly relearning it again and again. This has been going on for decades. So, them not then documenting all of this for you in such a way that can be reused by the next business endeavor, next business transformation, pretty much guarantees a perpetual cycle of need. It creates ongoing confusion, misunderstanding. It maintains a status quo of a continuous requirement for support. So, throwing new technology jargon at you, telling you that you need to learn it to survive, keeping your business always needing more IT. But there is some good news. You can save those billions. There is a way to break this cycle. Many ways, in fact. But we'll focus on just one on this particular episode. But it is a big one. You, as a business, have what IT doesn't have. You have the language, the knowledge of business. Now, business language very rarely changes because what business does has been known, you've been doing the same things for centuries. The language of technology, on the other hand, is constantly in flux, and deliberately so. It's to make your business think it needs to adopt every new fad, every new hype cycle, every new technology. So you have a source of power over the IT industry that you can wield. You have a weapon to make them talk like you and change their behaviors to start fitting IT around how you describe your business and not the other way around. You just need to start using it to your advantage. Now, the great thing about this is your business doesn't actually have to agree on everything. Doesn't have to agree on everything being called the same thing. Business functions, they're entitled to use their own business words for things because that suits their need for autonomy, for self-management within their business area. IT people will try and tell you that you should only have one business term for anything. Just don't listen. It's just not necessary. It's another system of control. And it's designed to bog you down in the pursuit of a level, unachievable and unrealistic consensus that just doesn't exist. It's a myth created by IT people. It's just the way that they're trained. It's the way that their mind thinks. Because in the end, after spending more millions, taking that path will most likely fail, and you will end up with everybody just saying, we agree to disagree anyway. So just don't go there. As long as you have it recorded somewhere, all your business terminology accessible to everybody, like in a business glossary of of business terms, free from technology jargon. Just get rid of that. Where those variations are noted between departments and functions and linked to those departments. As long as you have that, you can use such a dictionary as a tool to lead the language agenda when you engage with the IT industry. So you can say, here is our glossary of terms. Please confirm that your solution can adopt them as standard and reflect their correct meaning. Yeah. And then you can hit the next swipe of the weapon. And this is an active glossary that our business experts are constantly refining. Make sure that your solution keeps changes up to date as part of standard functionality. And then you can go the final blow here and say, okay, we're assuming this is basic stuff and won't cost us any more. Otherwise, we might need to look further afield at business solutions that are a bit more able to understand our business better. If you do this enough times, the IT industry will start to see the light. They'll start to change their behaviours. They will realise that business language is important. They will stop bombarding you with technology jargon because they will see that you will just not tolerate language that means nothing to you. They will start to design business solutions that can talk your language. You have the power to change how the IT industry works, and this is one of your biggest weapons. Use the power of business language to make IT work better for your business. Thanks for listening.